Host. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the Lightdow Super Telephoto Manual Zoom Lens, covering 420 to 800mm with an aperture range of f8.3 to 16. Plus, it comes with a T2 ring adapter compatible with Sony, Canon, Nikon, Pentax, Olympus and more. So if you're into wildlife, sports, or astrophotography, stay tuned. Host. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The lens feels solid and lightweight, making it easier to handle during long shoots. The manual focus and zoom rings are smooth, giving you precise control over your shots. Host. With a zoom range from 420mm all the way to 800mm, this lens offers incredible reach for capturing distant subjects. Keep in mind, since it's a manual lens with an aperture ranging from f8.3 to 16, you'll need to manage your exposure carefully, especially in low-light conditions. Host. Check out these sample images and videos. As expected with such a high focal length, stability is crucial. Using a tripod or monopod is highly recommended. Host. One of the great features is the T2 ring adapter, which makes this lens compatible with a variety of camera brands. Just attach the appropriate T2 adapter, mount it on your camera, and you're good to go. Pros. Extremely long focal length for distant subjects. Compatible with multiple camera systems via T2 adapter, lightweight and portable for a telephoto lens. Cons: manual focus only, no autofocus. Aperture is limited and may require good lighting conditions. Deep depth of field at such focal lengths can be challenging. Host. Overall, the Lightdow 420-800mm F8.3-16 lens is a budget-friendly option for hobbyists and enthusiasts wanting to explore super telephoto photography. It's not for every situation, especially where autofocus and fast apertures are needed, but for manual control and long-distance shots, it's quite capable. Host. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gear reviews, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.